Hey guys! Today's video is the no makeup look. This is actually my second time doing this because I did one a long time ago. Since a viewer asked me to do this, I was like, why not? This is the outcome of the no makeup look. It's very like natural. I only use simple products. You don't need to use brushes or sponges. I only basically use my fingers in this routine except for the highlighter. This routine is very like easy to do. So yeah, if you guys want to know more on how I did this look and what products I use, then just keep on watching. Let us get started with the no makeup look. For people who have the same skin type as me, the most important part of the routine is to prep your skin. For it to look as natural as possible, your skin has to be hydrated so that when you put the product on your face, it won't be cakey, it won't be patchy and all that. So it won't be as noticeable that you actually have makeup products on your face. So before I started this video, I already prepped my skin with toner and moisturizer as always because my skin is very dry. Now let's start. I'm gonna first apply the Bello Tinted Sunscreen because it's a must. If it's a no makeup look, it can also be your everyday makeup look. So you need the sunscreen because no matter where you are, if the sun is there, it can still damage your skin even if you're inside the house or inside the car. And I'm just gonna use my hands to blend that. Since this is an updated no makeup look because I did a previous one but without foundation, I'll just do one with foundation. Since this one is very light coverage and it has a natural finish, it's gonna be like you're not wearing any foundation, and so that it can add a little bit of color to this tinted sunscreen. I'm just getting 2 pumps. If you weren't able to watch my review on this foundation, I got this in the shade 1.2 YG. Again, I'm using my hands because for me it's easier, and since this is a very lightweight foundation, it's easy to blend with my fingers. Okay, so now we have the foundation on. The next thing we're gonna be doing is the concealer. So the concealer that I'm actually using right now is this one from Craftobian Makeup. It's been my concealer for so long. I'm gonna be using the shade here in the middle. Then I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes and wherever I have like dark spots or red spots. The next thing we're gonna be doing is eyebrows. That's what I do next. And the product that I'm using is this Anastasia Brow Definer in medium brown. My left eyebrows, it's always harder for me to do. If you guys have the same experience, like one eyebrow is easier to do than the other, let me know. So the next thing that I'm gonna be doing is, let's try using something else for bronzing because I love to bronze, but I usually use my next one. This time you can try using the Glossier in the shade Dusk because this is like, it's in a darker tone. I'm just gonna put some here, then let's try to like just blend it. I love this so much, like I love the color. What's great about this product is it can blend well and it's really like pigmented, so you don't need a lot of product when you apply. Like a little goes a long way, so it's very worth it if you buy it. Look, I still have this much product and I'm already like okay with it. Let's just blend at the edges because I usually put at the edges anyway. Well, that looks better. I love bronzing because after, if I use foundation or concealer, like, I look kind of pale, just that. So if I use bronzer, it adds more color to my face, which I love. Like, it brings back the color to my face. We're gonna next do the blush. And for the blush, I usually use my Tarte, but today we're gonna use my Lip and Cheek Staying Alive from Skin Genie. And we're using the shade Christmas Red. So what I do, I just dab some there and then I spread it. Whatever I have here in my fingers, I'm just gonna dab some on my nose bridge so it kinda adds some color. I don't know if it will show. The last thing that I'm gonna be doing is my highlight. I'm gonna be using the one from Australis. I did a haul on this and I did a full face video. The thing about this though, it has fallout. Like, look at that. My palette's already so dirty. So I'm gonna be using the one here in the middle. It's like a peachy highlight. And then I also put here on my nose. You can see it's there, my highlight. I love highlighter so much. The last thing that we're gonna be doing, if you want to put some color to your lips but not wear lipstick, then use a lip tint. This one will last. Like, even when you eat, it's still gonna stay there. It's not gonna feel like anything. There you go. I love this one so much. I haven't used the peach one. This is basically my no makeup look with foundation this time. Let me know what you guys think, what you guys want to watch next, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye!